I love small businesses. Love small businesses. And what makes me happy as general counsel is to help them grow and thrive and eventually release them into the wild. What I found is that as the business grows from infancy to toddler years to adolescence to all the way to release, the amount of paperwork, documents increases much faster. Your business goes like this and your paperwork goes like this, and it's really tough. It's absolutely tough to keep up with all of that growth on a document side. What saved me is a document assembly. Document assembly is an opportunity to generate automatically many documents using the templates that you have reviewed and pre-approved and love. And this way, you can go much faster. You can be much more efficient. You can manage documents much more effectively. You will save costs. You will have fewer headaches. Most importantly, you will know what you have. You will decrease human errors, and you will have a much greater impact on that small business so that you can be there as it grows at every stage of the way.